Good morning, students. In our previous video, already we discussed four identities. Now I explain identity number 5. Okay, so what is that? Identity number 5. What is that? A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A plus B plus C whole square equal to A square plus B square plus C square, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Okay, so this is the new identity from this class, ninth class. Okay, what is that? A plus B plus C whole square. Okay, that mean square of trinomial equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA, cyclic. Okay, how to find out the this one, like proof? You use proof. Okay, now you take the LHS, A plus B plus C whole square. Okay, you take the LHS and this can be written as A plus B binomial in one group plus C whole square. Okay, now this is in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. Okay, now you take first two terms in one term, like A plus B whole square. Now this is in the form of A plus B whole square. Here A means A plus B. A square means A plus B whole square plus 2A and B. 2AB plus B square means C square. Okay, now once again, this is in the form of A plus B whole square, that equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. And 2 into C, 2C into A, 2CA plus 2C into B, 2BC plus C square. Okay, now you arrange them orderly. A square, this is plus B square, next one plus C square. Remaining 2AB, next one 2BC plus 2CA. Okay, you get RHS. Okay, cyclic A, B, C. A, B, B, C and C, A. So A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Okay, so this is the formula for A plus B plus C whole square. This is known as identity number 5. Okay, with the help of this identity number 5, this is new one. Okay, how to find out or how to expand the given polynomials. I explain it. Okay, with the help of that identity, expand x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Very clearly, this is in the form of A plus B plus C whole square. A plus B plus C whole square. Okay, so expand it. This is in the form of A plus B plus C whole square equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Okay, so you observe it. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Okay, here A equal to X. Here A equal to what? X. And B equal to 2y. And C equal to 4z. So instead of A, you substitute X. Instead of B, you substitute 2y. And instead of C, you substitute 4z in that particular identity. So therefore, X plus 2y plus 4z whole square equal to A. A means what? X. X square plus B. B means what? 2y. 2y whole square plus c means what? 4z whole square. Okay, so c is 4z plus 2ab 2ax b equal to 2y plus 2bc b equal to 2y and c equal to 4z plus 2ca c 4z and ax. Okay, now we have to simplify it and you get to its expanded form, that is x square 2 square 4y square plus 4 square 16z square 4 square 4 is 16 z square plus numerical coefficients 2 2 is 4 into xy plus 2 2 is 4 4 is 16 yz plus 2 4 is 8 zx. So this is the expanded form of the given x plus y 2y plus 4z whole square. Expand. Okay. The same question, expand minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. Okay, so you observe it. Same, this is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square, that equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here a equal to what? Minus 2a. Substitute it. So minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square equal to a. Here a equal to minus 2a and b equal to 5b and c equal to negative sense minus 3c. Substitute them. A means minus 2a whole square plus b means 5b whole square plus c equal to minus 3c whole square plus 2a means minus 2a, b means 5b plus 2b 5b and c minus 3c and plus 2ca c minus 3c and a minus 2a. Okay, now you have to simplify it and you get their expanded form. Okay, that equal to minus 2 whole square, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, 4a square plus 5 square 25b square minus 3 whole square, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 c square. Okay, so 5 2 is 10, 10 into minus 2 minus 10 ab. Next one plus 2 into 5, 5 2 is 10, 10 into 3 10 into minus 3 minus 30 bc. Last and final minus 2 into minus 3, that equal to minus 2 into minus 3, negative product of negative sense into negative sense, that equal to positive. So 3 2 is 6, minus 2 into minus 3 6, 6 2 is 12, so plus 12 ca plus 12 ca. This is the expanded form of the given question. So this is minus 20 so 5 2 is 10, 10 into minus 2 minus 20 ab minus 30 bc. Okay.